Hi everyone, today we're going to make ice cream in a mason jar. To do this, you will need a half cup of heavy cream, 3/4 of a tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Let's get started. So first I'm going to pour half a cup of heavy cream into my mason jar. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Then I'm going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of my sugar. Next up, the vanilla extract. I'm going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of this. Okay, and finally, a pinch of salt. Now you want to screw the lid on really tightly. And then you're gonna shake this for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go and shake this and we'll come back and see what it looks like. It should just about double in size. All right, I'm back. And that was tiring. That was a long 5 minutes. I've shook up my container and see the inside of it. It's pretty well doubled. So now what I'm going to do is put it in the freezer for about 3 hours. Now here's where you can get creative. If you'd like to add some different toppings, you can do that now. So maybe you'd like to add some berries or some peanut butter, chocolate syrup, things like that. Make it your own ice cream. I'm just gonna keep mine vanilla for now and maybe I'll put some berries on top after. So in the freezer for 3 hours. Okay, we're back. I've just had my ice cream in the freezer for about 3 hours and I'm about to take my first bite. So I added some jam to mine instead of fruit and let's see how it tastes. That's pretty good. What does yours taste like? Let us know. Thanks for trying this and we hope you enjoyed it. Bye.